Would you dare to guess output of this code? I would give you 5 seconds. Comment down your answer below once you are done. Your time starts now. The correct answer is, if you wanna know why, watch this video till end. Hello friends, welcome to the second video of interesting Python series. In this video, we are going to learn about list comprehension. So let's look at the problem we had. We had a list as a names variable. So this list contains 5 names. After that, we are looping it through all the names present in this list. After that, we are checking if the name equal to Abhishek or if the name equal to Vishal, we should remove that from this list. And then after that, we are printing these names. So we assume we should get Apurv, Shanu and Krishna here because we are removing Abhishek and Vishal. But when we run this, we are not getting the expected output. We are getting Apurv, Vishal, Shanu and Krishna. So Abhishek has been removed, but Vishal has not been removed. So the question is why? Let us get the details of it. We will start debugging and see what is happening really. So here we are going to get names list. Then we are going to loop through each entity of this list. So this time you can see as a name we have got the first entity of this list, that is Apurv. So it is checking here, it will not enter this loop. And the same thing we see here. Now we are entering the loop second time, and after that we are getting Abhishek. So this time it is going to enter this condition, and we see it is going to remove Abhishek from this list now. So if we hover over this list, we can see Abhishek has been removed. It just contains Apurv, Vishal, Shanu and Krishna. Now if we run this next time, we can see here for name entity it has taken Shanu, it has not taken this Vishal, because it has taken Shanu, and next time, so it is not entering to this condition. And next time if we run it again, it is taking Krishna, and now it is over and printing it whatever it got. So you see, it has never taken this Vishal as name entity, that's why it could not remove that from the list. But why is this happening? So let's see this once again, we will know that better. Let us press F10, then again, and this time as a name we have Apurv. Now let's enter it second time, we see we have Abhishek. So this time if I hover over these names, you can see we have Apurv at index 0 and Abhishek at index 1, Vishal at index 2 and Shanu at index 3, and Krishna is there at index 4. And if I run this now and we are going to remove this Abhishek, so this Abhishek has been removed now. And now if I hover over here and see the index, we can see Apurv is still at index 0 because Abhishek has been removed from the list. Vishal has been shifted to first index and Shanu has been shifted to second index, and so Krishna has been shifted to third index. Now since we have already looked through first index, it will not look the first index again, it will look the second index, that is Shanu, because already it has looked the first index. So if we press F10 again, it is taking Shanu as input. That's why it never took this Vishal, and so it is not removing it from the list. Now we got why this is happening to our problem. So how to solve this? To solve this, there is a very easy way. That is, we will create a new list, that is names underscore new, and we will take it as empty list. Now instead of removing this, we will append that. So let us append names underscore new dot append whatever names we have. So whatever we want to make in the new list, we will append that. And so we have to change the condition. So if name is not equal to Abhishek, it should not equal to Vishal, and here we have to change it as and, because now it is like it is appending all the names to the new names only if the name is not equal to Abhishek and name is not equal to Vishal. And now we are going to print the new list. Let us run this, and here we can see the output as whatever we had expected. So Abhishek and Vishal both has been removed. But we have a better way to do this in Python. That is called list comprehension. So let us comment these things, and we are going to do everything now in just a single line. So that is the point here. It will just use single line, and it is more efficient than this thing, and we can use it for any complex situation. So we will just use the same variable what we have, so it saves us the memory. We will use the same list names, then we use list comprehension. So for list comprehension, we will use this square bracket, whatever list we have, the same format we will use. Inside this we will write for loop. So for name in names, so it is exactly same as this one. For names in name, for name in names, and then we will put condition, like it should not equal to Abhishek and it should not equal to Vishal. We put the condition here, and before this for loop, what we will do, we will put the variable which we want to push to names list. So that variable is name, because we want to put names, this name to this list, right? That's why we have put name variable here. So you can see it now. Inside the list we have written the variable first which we need to push to the list, then the for loop, then the condition which we want to push. Now we will run this. Before running that, let us put a print statement, print names, and then if we run this, we can see we have got whatever we wanted by using just one variable, using less memory space, using less line of code, and also this thing is more efficient than the earlier one if we have some serious scenario here to work with. Now let us understand this using a different example to make it simple. So we will comment everything up. Then let us make a list with name L. So L equal to just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are just 5 integers I took, and what we want as output is double of all the elements. So it is like if list contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the output list should contain double of this one. So that is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So let us code for that. So first we will print this L. Now we will put this print again, and in between we will change this L. So using list comprehension, we will put the square brackets first, then we will put for number in L. So that is exactly like this. We are taking each entity of this list. Now what we have to do, we have to push number to this list, number. So each number will be taken once, like 1 will be taken, and then this 1 will be pushed to this list again. So we have put number here, but what we want here is we want to push double of that number. So we will put that expression here. So number into 2. For all the numbers we have to put twice the number here. So we have written this code. Let's see what output comes. So you can see the first list whatever we are printing here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the next print statement is printing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That is double of 1 is 2, for 2 it is 4, and for 5 it is 10. So whatever we wanted, it has been created. So if you have any doubt in this list comprehension, please comment in this video. I will try to answer it as soon as possible. Hope you liked this video. If it has helped you in any way, you can consider giving a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel so you can get more of this kind and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.